Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Epic Games. So let's get started right away. If you don't wish to use your Epic Games account anymore and you want it to be deleted, then open up the Epic Games launcher on your device first. Once you open it up, log into your account by using your email address and your password, or proceed with your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will now take you into the account settings page for your Epic Games account using your web browser. Now, right from this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Request Account Delete button. Go ahead and click on this, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Click on the Delete Account button, and you will need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. After entering this code and entering your password as well, you will be logged out from your Epic Games account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Now, according to the instructions that you see before you delete your account, you will still be able to recover your account until 2 weeks. So if you change your mind, then you will need to use your credentials to log into your account before 2 weeks has passed, and you will once again be able to recover. After 2 weeks has passed, your account will be permanently deleted and there will be no way to recover any of your data. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.